Hi Hannah, so this is your mini reading, order 5237, just as a heads up. So you asked for a mini reading. So I have my computer here, that's where I'm getting your energy from. This is yours and yours to keep, so you can rewatch it as many times as you want. It's totally up to you. I would recommend to watch it by yourself, and then if you wish to share it with others, then you are more than welcome to, okay? The other thing that I like mentioning is as my cards come out, it's like past, present, and future. But the future's not set in stone. As soon as you start making decisions, then things will change. Let me know how it resonates as well, just so that I know that I got the right energy. And thank you for trusting me. So let me know, again, how this works for you. And again, you can rewatch it as many times as you want. You can go back to it in like 6 months. It'll still be there, okay? But it is yours. You can do it with it however you want. Oh, thank you for the tip, by the way. I just saw that. Let's see. That card wants to come out too. One more thing. There it is. All right, so this might be a little longer than the 5 minutes, but that's okay. So the first card that came out was Rainbow, and it came out sideways. So this one here, when my cards come out sideways, it's like past, present, and future, but it's like it's in reverse. So I don't know, this can mean a few different things to me. This could mean that you're part of the LGBTQ community, or it can mean that you are just expressing and enjoying life, okay? So I think that, again, since it came out like this, and it's past, present, and future, you are very grateful for your life and your family and work life and those sorts of things, but there's still something kind of still like not really kind of eating at you because it's in reverse, okay? So this is kind of, again, finding your divine purpose in life, but you're still kind of stagnant a little bit and you're still kind of like finding your pathway, okay? So then we have Chaser that came out. So again, eager. You're eager to learn. You're eager to find all the things, and you're eager to have things come to you, okay? But at the same time, Fire came out, and then Remember. So those came out shortly after. So the Fire, it can represent like fire in your chart, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But I feel like this is more of like getting that spark back and keeping it ignited in order for you to progress forward, because you keep reminiscing about the past a little bit, and you're getting stuck there because you're having some nostalgia, and I think that you have had past life moments. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that kind of is kind of eating at you a little bit too. So then we have Chemistry that came out in reverse, and then Bittersweet. So I think that there is somebody that's involved with you that is kind of like releasing, which no longer serves you. So I don't know if this individual is still around or if they're still kind of in the back of your thoughts, because the Chemistry is in reverse now, and then the Bittersweet. So moving on, leaving, releasing, those sorts of things. But I think that they're still in your life at some way or another, whether it actually be physically they're in your life or whether you're just mentally thinking about them. I think that this individual has kind of shaped you a little bit. Tranquility then came out, so we have Solitude, Reflection, going within. You have the answers you need. You just got to turn inward and actually trust yourself. You got to trust your intuition, okay? Bring that little kid charm back, okay? Bring that Neverland charm back in, okay? So this is about having that inner child. Don't let your ego rule you. Yes, ego is important and inner child is important too, but this is also, it can represent Akashic records, so going back to the past life thing, okay? So I think that like we have two cards that represent past life, and then we also have inner child. So I think that, again, you kind of maybe have to explore a few things. So then we got Blind Spot, then Serendipity came out with Spontaneous. So behind the scenes, your spirit team is kind of working on things to kind of get things into motion. But it's going to happen very spontaneously for you. So it's going to be very unexpected, and it's going to be a very blissful cosmic gift kind of thing. This is coming up at some point. Cards don't go by our timeline though. But whatever you're manifesting, I think it is going to happen later down the road because of this, but it's going to take you for surprise, because I don't think it's going to manifest the way that you think it's going to manifest. So just be cautious of that. But your wishes are going to be fulfilled according to this, okay? Whatever that means to you. So it is between your divine timing and then your divine intervention. It is going to be happening at some point. Behind the scenes, they're working on it, okay? They're trying. They're getting there. The bottom of the deck is Princess. So this is about learning. It's also being about innocent when you're learning. So you're trying to learn all the things, but again, just kind of taking one step at a time, and stop being so hard on yourself. I feel like you're being very hard on yourself. So you're human, and don't take things for granted. When I say that, I think that you might be trying some things that you're seeing on social media. Just be cautious of that. Do your own research, because I think you're so innocent that everybody's good. Everybody is giving you good advice, those sorts of things. I trust my content that I put out, but again, just be cautious of others. Even be cautious with mine, because you should do your own research of why I said what I said. Okay, so you're still learning and adapting, so just keep that, but at the same time, just always have that little aha moment and make sure that you are looking after yourself too. So let me know how this resonates with you. Thank you so much for trusting me. Yeah, you're going in the right direction. Okay, you're getting there. Okay, so you just gotta, you're veering off the path a little ways, and you're kind of going this way and that way, but you're getting back on track. You are on track. You are going to be getting there. Okay, so don't have your defenses up too much, but at the same time, just make sure that you're doing your own research for yourself. So thank you again for trusting me. Let me know how this resonates with you, and I shall talk to you later. See ya.